Good morning students, welcome to the online teaching session of Academic World School, Bimitra. I am Vijay Goswami, your French teacher. This is your first online session, and in this session I will take you through these topics. These are the objectives of this session. Pronunciation of French alphabets, learning one word with each alphabet, cardinal numbers from 0 to 20. Before I start this session, I would like to let you know how French in India. You might be wondering why we are learning English, French, these languages, and how these languages became so popular widely throughout the world. You must be aware that British people, English people, they traveled all across throughout the entire planet. They made colonies in Asia, Africa, these countries, and many countries in Asia and Africa. In this way, English became one of the most prevalent language. Likewise, even French people, they also traveled all across Africa and Asia, and they ruled over these countries. Countries like India, some slight and small portions of Indian territories were ruled by French people. Maximum part of India was ruled by British people, English people. Because of that, English has become one of the most prevalent language in India. You know that English is very prevalent and is spoken prevalently in the entire planet. Likewise, French people also ruled in many countries where French has become one of the widely spoken language. Senegal is the country, Ivory Coast, Algeria, and in India you will imagine that there are many territories. Like we have in West Bengal, Chandan Nagar. We have one union territory called Puducherry. Previously it was named and known as Pondicherry. In Pondicherry we have various other territories like Yanam, Mahe, Karaikal. These are the territories now in India where French is used, French is spoken. Alright. These places were ruled by French people. And you must be surprising. Means it will be surprising for you that French people did not leave India in 1947. Means the maximum part of India became free in the year 1947. We got freedom in 15th August 1947. But these territories became free after 1960. Okay. So this way, there are many people staying there in these places. They are still French. They speak French. They are French nationals. They look like Indians. They speak French. And when election happens in France, they participate and vote for election there. They cannot vote in Indian elections because they are French people. Okay? So this way in India, French does exist as a language. Alright. So now let's move ahead with the topic that I am going to teach you today. You must be already aware of French alphabets. You might have learned because this is your second year of learning French. You might have studied, and for new students I am going to recapitulate the pronunciation of French alphabets so that it will be good for them for learning and starting French. And who have already studied in 6th grade, they will revise it. Alright. So let's start with the first objective, pronunciation of French alphabets. Alright? In Latin language, what happens? Alphabets numbers are same, 26 letters are there. 26 alphabets. Out of which 5 are vowel and remaining 21 are consonants. You must be already aware of in English language. Okay. Similarly, we have 26 alphabets. Same 5 are vowel and remaining 21 are consonants. There are a few accents which are normally put in some alphabets. Okay, that I will teach you later. Grave accent is there, acute accent is there. Okay, circumflex is there, cedilla is there. Okay, trema is there. That I will teach you later. Okay, let's start with the pronunciation. Okay, you will speak after me. I will start and you will speak after me so that you can revise it. Okay, with me. Now start. I'll give you a little pause. During that pause, you will be speaking, pronouncing. Alright. So let's begin. A, B, speak. C, D, U, F, Z, Ash, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright. So quickly again once more. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, Ash, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright? This was the pronunciation. Whenever you feel like revising, what you can do? You can replay and you can relearn it. Alright. Now, the second objective, learning one word with each alphabet. That you did. It will be kind of revision for you, and for new students it will be new for them and they will learn it for the first time. So I am erasing this and I will be writing one word with each alphabet. What you will do, you will take out notebook and you will start writing with me. Alright. I am erasing this. Avion. Avion means airplane. Alright. Avion. B. Ballon. Ballon. Ballon means ball. Crayon. Crayon means pencil. Dauphin. Dauphin means dolphin. How we pronounce it? Dauphin. Dauphin. École. École means School. Our school. Alright? Fleur. Fleur. Fleur means flower. Flower. J. Glass. Glass means ice cream. Glass means ice cream. It's not a glass that in which you drink water. It is ice cream. Pronunciation is glass. Horloge. Horloge means clock. Clock for watching time. Alright? Eel. Eel means island. Island. Sri Lanka is an island. Mauritius is an island. Alright. Jardin. Jardin. Jardin means garden. Garden. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Kangaroo. The national animal of Australia. Lapin. Lapin. Lapin means rabbit. Rabbit. Maison. Maison. Maison means house. House. Knee. Knee means nest. Knee means nest. Alright, nest. Where the bird rests. Okay. Orange. Orange. Orange means orange. Papillon. Papillon. Okay. What does it mean? Butterfly. Pronunciation is papillon. It is not papillon. It is not papillon. It is papillon. Papillon. Papillon means butterfly. Queue. Queue means tail. Tail. Dog has a tail. Okay. Animals normally having tails. Alright. Roi. 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 Roi means king. Roi means king. Stilo. Stilo means pen. Stilo means pen. Alright. Tortue. Tortue means tortoise. Tortue. Tortue. Usine. Usine means factory. Usine means factory. Where. Where means glass for drinking water. Where. Where. Yes. Wagon. Wagon. Wagon means wagon. Rail car. Wagon. Xylophone. Xylophone is xylophone. Xylophone. Musical instrument. Ear. Ear. Eyes. Eyes. Zebra. Zebra means zebra. Zebra. So what we will do, we will once again visit all these words and try to make the pronunciation permanent. Alright, so let's begin again. Avion. Speak after me. Speak after me. Okay, pronounce it so that it can become permanent. Like it has become permanent in English language, it will become permanent in French as well. Okay. But you will have to revise, you will have to practice. This is language. More you practice, more you will become comfortable. Alright. Avion. Avion means airplane. Avion. Ballon. Ballon. Speak after me. Crayon. Crayon. Dauphin. Dauphin. Dolphin. Avion, airplane, ballon, ball, crayon, pencil, dauphin, dolphin. Alright? École, school. École, school. Fleur, flower. Flower. Glass, ice cream. Ice cream. Horloge, clock. Clock. Île, island. Island. Jardin, jardin, garden. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Lapin, rabbit. Lapin, rabbit. Maison, house. Maison, house. Nid, nest, where the bird rests. Nid. Orange, orange, orange. Papillon, papillon. Papillon means butterfly. Butterfly. Queue, queue means tail. Tail. Roi, roi means king. Roi means king. Stylo, stylo means pen. Pen. Stylo. Tortue, tortue means tortoise. Usine, usine means factory. Factory. Ware, ware means glass for drinking water. Ware. Wagon, wagon means wagon. Rail car. Wagon, wagon. Xylophone, 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 musical instrument that you have learnt already in English. Ear, eyes, ear. Zebra, zebra. Zebra, zebra. Alright, so we have completed the second objective as well. Means learning one word with each alphabet. We have learnt one word with each alphabet, right? So we will concentrate upon cardinal numbers from 0 to 20. Alright? Shall I erase? What you will do? You will pen down in your notebooks every single words. Alright? Erasing? Alright. So let's start with the cardinal numbers. You might have heard numbers, but cardinal number, what is that? Two types of number normally we have. Cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal and ordinal. Let's see how it is. Cardinal numbers. Okay. So these numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and go on. Numbers like this are cardinal numbers. Okay. And ordinal numbers. This type of number you are already aware of. This type of number also you are already aware of. Look up how it is. First, second, third, fourth, 10th, 11th. Do you notice any difference? This is in cities actually, and this is showing you the order. Like there are 10 students. Okay. Students sitting here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. Means it is showing the order. Order. First bench, second bench, third bench, fourth bench, fifth bench, like that. Last bench, like that. So it is demonstrating orders. It is demonstrating what? Order. Okay. So order, ordinal numbers. But in this session we are not going to learn this kind of numbers. These kinds of numbers. Alright? We will learn these numbers first, and thereafter later on we will learn these kinds of numbers. Alright? So I am erasing this and I will start with these numbers. Alright? So let's begin. Okay, so I will start from here and I will teach you the pronunciation. What you do in your notebook, start writing with me. Okay, the moment I will finish, you will also finish, then I will start with the pronunciation. Alright, okay, do it please, take out. let's start. I hope you have written. Okay. So when you will learn, you can pause the video and you can write down. All right. Now I will teach you the pronunciation. What you will do? I will speak up, I will pronounce, and you will speak up after me, so that you can practice in parallel to me. Okay. So let's begin. Zero. Yes, speak. Zero. Un. You can see I have written two. This is for masculine. Okay, and this one feminine. If I say one glass, where? This word I taught you. Right now I taught you this word. Where means a glass. Okay. Yun tas means a cup. Glass is masculine and cup is feminine. So before masculine we will use and before feminine we will use yun. One glass, one cup. Alright. So mind it. Zero, speak. Zero, yun, the, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, six, dix. All right. Zero, une, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. All right. Now we will do this one. This part. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. Once more. Onze, speak, try. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, when. So what we have done today? We have learnt or revised pronunciation of French alphabets. Second, learning one word with each alphabet from A to Z, one word with each alphabet, right? And then we learned counting cardinal numbers 0 to 20. Alright? So based on this teaching session, there shall be few assignments uploaded in your ERP. What you will have to do? You will have to download those assignments and work out the exercises, assignments that have been given. Alright? That shall be checked. So mind it, do it. Thank you very much.